go through the directions clearly. Is it easy question? This is very easy questions once you know the proper approach. Otherwise, it's a very difficult question. The winner of this year Hockey Cup was decided by a round robin system. That is, each team played with every other team. 2 points were awarded for win, 1 for a draw and 0 for a loss. 6 teams participated in this tournament. Germany scored 10 points while Britain scored 8 points. France had 3 draws while Argentina scored only 1 point. South Korea won 2 of its matches while Brazil won only 1 match. Go through the questions also. Questions, the first question, how many draws were there in all? Second question, which team did Brazil defeat? Third one, which team was third from the top according to the points? Fourth one, how many teams did South Korea lose to? Fifth one, how many teams did Brazil win? Have you gone through the directions? Okay, fine. What's your approach to find out answer for these questions within 1 minute? If you have the method to find out answer for the questions in 1 minute, don't watch this video. That's a waste of time. If you don't know how to find out the answer for these questions in 1 minute, then watch the video. Then I'll teach you how to find out the answer within 20 seconds itself. And one more thing I'll request you, please don't write any given data in this question. It is totally waste of time. The reason, I'll tell you orally what the direction means. In this, it's a given round robin system, that is each team played with every other team. How many teams are there? 6 teams participated in event. Okay, one team can play 5 matches. Am I right? One can get maximum 10 points. No one can get more than 10 points. It is given Germany scored 10 points. It is clearly understood Germany won all the 5 matches. That means every other team lost 1 match against Germany. Germany scored 10 points while Britain scored 8 points. We know the other teams can get maximum 8 points. The reason is already 1 match lost against Germany. Britain scored 8 points means remaining 4 matches are there for Britain. All the 4 matches, Britain won all the 4 matches. Next, France had 3 draws. For the France, only 3 matches left. The reason is first match with Germany, the second match with Britain, and these 2 matches already lost. France had only 3 matches. In these 3 matches, France had 3 draws against South Korea, Brazil and Argentina. Okay, next, while Argentina scored only 1 point, it is clear Argentina had 1 draw. South Korea won 2 of its matches while Brazil won only 1 match. These are direct informations. Now I'll teach you the procedure to solve this question. Draw a table form like this. Write the team names: Germany, Britain, France, South Korea, Brazil and Argentina against Germany, Britain, France, South Korea, Brazil and Argentina. If you draw like this, you never make mistake. And the cross the diagonal, Germany, there is no match, so cross the teams against the same team. Okay, now start solving. Germany scored 10 points. That means Germany won all the 5 matches. That is win, 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 win. Am I right? Next, the reverse meaning of this is everyone lost against Germany. Here Britain lost, France lost, South Korea, Brazil and Argentina lost against Germany. That's over. Britain scored 8 points. Listen here, for Britain, how many matches are there? Only 4 matches. 8 points means win, 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 win. That means remaining 4 teams lost against Britain also. France lost, South Korea lost against Britain, Brazil lost, Argentina also lost. Next, France had 3 draws. For France, only 3 matches left out. In this, it is given draw, 3 draws, right? France versus South Korea draw means South Korea versus France also draw. Next, Brazil versus France, draw. Argentina versus France, also draw. France versus South Korea, draw means South Korea versus France, also draw. These two are only one draw. Don't consider 1, 2. Okay, it's only one draw. Okay, next. Argentina scored only 1 point. Next. South Korea won 2 of its matches, right? For the South Korea, only 2 matches left out against Brazil and Argentina. It's given it's won 2 of its matches. So South Korea win against Brazil and against Argentina. That means Brazil lost against South Korea and Argentina lost against South Korea. Okay, next one. While Brazil won only 1 match, it is very clear for Brazil only 1 match left out, that also against Argentina. That match Brazil won that match, Argentina lost against Brazil. Is it easy? And one more thing you can clearly understand, it is given in the same format. Germany scored 10 points, then Brazil won 4 of its matches, 3 draws, 2 win and 1 win. That's order is given in the question itself. Now we are going to solve the questions. The first question, how many draws were there in all? Go through the diagram. 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 draws. Please don't consider this also again draw 6 draws. That is terribly wrong. France versus South Korea draw means South Korea versus France also draw. The same, only 1 draw. Here 1, 2, 3 draws. How many draws were there in all? Answer is 3 draws. Next, which team did Brazil defeat? Brazil defeat only Argentina. Am I right? So answer for the second question, which team did Brazil defeat, is Argentina. Next, which team was third from the top according to the points? Now Germany in the first place, Britain in the second place, everyone knows. Okay, third place we need to find out. France had 3 points, South Korea 1 point, then plus 2 wins, 4 points, totally 5 points. According to the points, South Korea is in the third place. Next, how many teams did South Korea lose to? Check it. 1, 2. The answer for this question is 2. Next, how many teams did Brazil win? The answer is Brazil won only 1 match. So answer for the fifth question is only 1. Have you understood? It is very easy once use this method. Otherwise, it is very difficult to find out the answer within 1 or 2 minutes. Have you understood? Thank you so much.